I need to emphasize this on the back neckline again. How I got this back neckline, I just from this point I measured 1 inch down, from this point 1 inch down, and then I placed my curve ruler like this and marked to get this neckline at the back, in case you didn't see that earlier. So now we're going to manipulate this armhole curve to get the bust dart, so that the armhole will actually fit. If you draft your pattern, you see that the arm side would actually be bigger than that you measured. For this client, her arm side is 20, but when I measured this, I got a total of 21.5. That's 1.5 extra. So in order to make this armhole fit, I'll have to manipulate this armhole to get the fitted one. If you want to, when measuring your armhole, you should measure like this. Take your time to measure like this. Take your time to measure. Take your time to measure. Don't just put your measuring tape and just go like this. Just follow the line as you're measuring your armhole. So because I've measured the front and back, the manipulation will not be at the back, it will be at the front. The bust dart, the front that actually has the breast, so that will be the bust dart for the front. So I'll take and draw a diagram. First of all, first things first, from this bust line I will measure 1 inch down, and then I'll draw to this bust line. Listen carefully to this part. This part is a bit tricky, so listen. So I'm using a red pen so you can differentiate and you can tell. So listen carefully to this part. It's a bit tricky. So I've measured 1 inch down and I marked. So from this point, so I've already measured from here to here 1 inch. Please listen. And if you are confused, you can watch the video again. Just follow me closely. And then after measuring, I drew a line. After coming down 1 inch, I drew this line straight to meet this point, the bust span point. And I'm measuring, I'm getting 7.5. So I will just draw a line along this bust, along the armhole. I'm just drawing, and then I'll check measure 2. So this is 7.5. This, you have to do this repeatedly to actually get that. You'll be using a pencil so you can erase, but I'm using a marker, I can't erase. So that's why I'm using different colors of markers so you can actually understand better. So this part, the back arm side, now the back arm size is giving me 8.5 after measuring 8.5 inches. For the front, I got 13 plus 8.5 is 21.5. So but the client's arm size is 20, so we have 1.5 excess. So I'm trying to reduce 1.5 from this armhole curve. I'm trying to reduce 1.5. So I just came here, this same line I'm trying to manipulate to transfer the manipulate the armhole and create a bust dart and move the armhole curve. So just watch. It's a bit tricky, but when you watch and understand, you can able to replicate exactly what I'm doing. So I've already measured, like I said, I measured 7.5. I here this straight line I measured 7 and marked 7.5. So what I'll be doing is I'll try to see if my measuring tape, what I'm looking for now is 20 minus 8.5 will give me 11.5. So instead of 13, what I'm looking for is 11.5, so that it will complete the measurement of the person's arm, of the client's arm side. So I just marked along this line. You have to keep trying and testing until you are able to actually get the measurement. Just watch me. So from this point now, I'll come down here with 1 inch. I'll come down here and draw. Remember, that's the 1 inch I came down from here. This will now become the new line. Now see what I did. I drew an arc here. this would be my new armhole curve. I just drew a straight line here, the same measurement here, I measured the same measurement here, and I drew an arc. You have to keep testing until you actually get what you are looking for. So I'm looking for 11.5, and I measured and I got 11.5. Let me measure again so that you see. You measure gradually. Take your time and measure gradually. Okay, I got 11.5. I got this right because I have already done this over time, so I can easily guess where to be. But for you, you have to try it first. You'll be using a pencil to draft, like I said. So when you don't get it right, you can easily erase and try it till you get it right. Now this will be our new bust. This will be our bust line. This part will be off, so let me just use another color of marker to do this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Okay, now so this is the bust dart. You see the bust dart? This is the armhole curve, the new armhole curve for the front. The back remains the same. This is the new armhole curve for the front, and that's just all. If you don't understand, you can watch again till you are able to get this complete. If you're able to get this, you can draft fitted bodice patterns. Thank you.